Making thickened sauces from scratch on a stovetop can be challenging and time consuming. So today I'm going to show you how easy it is to make a bechamel sauce in your Thermomix. So what we're going to do first is we've got our recipe up on our guided cooking. We're going to press start cooking and it engages our scales. There's one time saving element right there. First ingredients go in. We want 40 grams of unsalted butter. Our next ingredient is our milk, and it tears our scales, so again saving us time because we're weighing all in the same bowl. And the last ingredient is some plain flour and some seasoning, so we'll pop that in there. I've already got my salt and my pepper and some nutmeg in with the flour, so I'm just pressing next to get to my cooking stage. So we're going to pop our simmering basket on top while we're cooking here to allow the steam to escape. And now we're ready to cook. This is a thicken mode on the Thermomix, which means I don't even have to worry about the time. All I have to do, I'm just going to turn the dial. So the bechamel sauce is now cooking. The Thermomix will determine the right temperature and the right speed to get that beautiful consistency that we need. Meanwhile, if I was to be doing this on a stovetop, the conventional way, the process is very different and, like I said before, quite time consuming. You have to first measure out your ingredients and make sure that you've got your scales out. You're going to be using a few different bowls. You're then going to need to warm your milk up, pop your butter in there, pop your flour in, make your roux, constantly stirring, and then pop your milk in there little bit by little bit to get the consistency, all while you're consistently stirring. You cannot leave that pot alone, not even for a second. And then you have to deal with all the washing up afterwards, which can be a pain, especially if your milk is caught on the base. And that's it, my sauce is done. Hands-free cooking at its finest. Let's have a look at how gorgeous this creamy bechamel sauce is. Beautiful. And there you have it. I know which method I prefer.